Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you are watching e-learning with Suruchi and I'm your educator Suruchi Mahato. So today's topic is formal letter that I came with one another formal letter which it can comes under the descriptive paper. It is the most important section for SSC descriptive paper and I'm giving you an example that how would you start a letter and end with a very proper format, right? So I'm giving you the accurate format with the help of this sample formal letter. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's begin. Okay, so today's topic is complaint letter for a poor quality of food. Like I'm telling you that suppose you went to a restaurant, right? So what you have expected that they will serve you a very good service, and whatever you have ordered, it must be so hygienic. It will not carry any uncertain things like flies and so much of bacteria. So what you were expected, it was not on that. It doesn't stand on that part, right? Yeah, you have expected that they will give you a good service, but it was not like that. Even the waiters was not hearing you that the service is not that much of good and accurate, and that is the reason you are writing this letter to the manager, right? I'm telling you the sample. If suppose they give you some kind of things, that how would you start this letter? I'm just because of this I'm telling you. Like suppose you're writing this letter to the manager of that particular restaurant, what you are complaining about, the poor quality of food, right? So without wasting the time, let's begin that how would you write a formal letter with that. Next. Okay, so how would you start a letter, right? It is the most important thing. Suppose you are starting your letter with your own address wherever you stay, right? Suppose you are sending this letter to the manager through from Lucknow. So I have written one address of Lucknow. It is not the accurate address. You have to write the address of your own accurate locality, right? Suppose I have written house number 21 XYZ road. It can be any road wherever you stay, right? You have to write the exact locality of that particular area wherever you are staying, you're residing. It is the most important thing, right? So XYZ road Lucknow, and then pin code number. You have to write the pin code of your own locality. Next is I've written a date. It is the most important thing. Suppose you are sending this letter on I think to what is today's date? It's 9th of January 2021. So you're sending this letter on 11th of January 2021. So what you are writing this, you are writing the date of that particular day when you are sending this letter, right? So I have written this. Not exactly you have write, if you are writing this letter on 9th of January, you can write the date of that particular day also. Next, what you need to do is to write the address of that particular restaurant where you went for a meal, right? So as you can see, you are writing this letter to the manager. So first what you need to do is to write to the manager, and then Quick Bites, it is the name of that particular restaurant. You have to write the name of that cafe where you have went, right? Next is Rahim Nagar, it is the address, and then Lucknow pin code number. It is very common thing, right? If you are residing at Lucknow, we will never go to Delhi to have a meal, have a good meal, to spend times with your families. It's not that much of possible. I would say that it is not that much of accurate that if you are residing at Delhi and you are going to have a party for 1 day, I'm telling you. If you are going for holidays, that is completely different. But if you want to spend time for 1 day, you will definitely go to your own locality, to your own restaurant, I would say, which is on your own city, right? So you have written the address, you have completed this section. That means it is the first part, what you have, how you can start. Next, what you need to do is to write respected sir or madam. That means the manager could be anyone. It would be sir or madam. You don't know the gender of that particular manager, right? So you have to write both the things, that is sir and madam, right? Now you will start your body part. So how would you start your body part? It is the most important thing, right? So I have written like this, that I am writing this letter to lodge a complaint about the unhygienic condition of your outlet. That means what you are telling, that you are telling that you wanted to lodge a letter, you are lodging a letter, and about what, the unhygienic condition of that particular outlet. That means whatever you got, the dishes which you got, it is so unhygienic, so unfizzy. You have just felt so bad after eating that particular food. I hope you don't even eat that. So we visited your outlet on 10th of October 2020 to have lunch. So they are telling that they went to 10th of October. You have to write the date of that day when you went over there, right? So they went to 10th of October to have their meal on that day with their families. It can be if you went alone with your friends or with your families, it is not necessary. You don't have to write all such things. You have to write only the thing which you want to explain, right? Next, we took our seats in ordered burgers, spaghetti, and some drinks. They're telling that they took their seats, and what they have ordered is burgers, sakti, and some drinks over there, right? So whatever you have ordered, you have to mention that. And then the place was not very crowded, so we were hoping that our service would be quick. So what they're telling that as the place was not that much of crowdy, that there were not that much of people. Crowd means basically a assembly or association of people, who united at a one place. But it was not there was no that much of crowd. So what they're expecting, they're hoping that they will get their service very quickly, but it does not happen, right? So next, what they have written: we were served with minutes but were horrified to see the crockery. So they were served within a minute. It as they were expecting that they will have a quick service. So there were no crowd over there, so that is the reason they got the quick service. So they were served within a minute but were horrified to see the crockery. That means the crockery section, the kitchen part was not that much of good. It was so unfreezy. Then what they're writing, that it was greasy and stained. Beside, as soon as we started eating, flies started buzzing over the food. We realized that there was an open dustbin right behind us. So what they have experienced, that when they start having their meal to eat all those things, they have seen that there are a lot of flies who are just flying on their dishes. It was so uneasy, right? And after that, what they have experienced, that there were a dustbin just beside their dish. It was so, as you can imagine, that if a person is eating a food and they have experienced such things, is it that possible to eat all those food what they have ordered? It was such a bad service that they're giving, right? We called out the waiters, but they turned a deaf ear. As we were leaving, we peeped into the kitchen and saw flies all over the place. What they're telling, that they called the waiter, but he was not responding at all. He was just doing their own fellow work. He was not giving that much of deaf ear. Deaf ear is a kind of phrase. You can use phrase on your letters. It will make it very good and attractive. So you can use such things, right? And when they went to the kitchen, what they've seen, that the cooks, who are cooking the food, who are just serving their customers, they don't even wear a apron. They are very uneasy kind of people. They're not giving that much of attention to their food. It is so unhygienic, so bad, so ugly. So these are the things that they have experienced. So you have to mention all these things, so that the letter will be very much of the letter will look very much of good, right? Next, so what they're telling, that you have to request your manager to give them a very good service. So what you have written, that I request you to do the needful as soon as possible. Such unhygienic conditions can lead to serious health mishaps. That they're telling is, it's very common, if you are getting a very bad unhygienic kind of food, it is so common that you will suffer from a kind of disease that must be very dangerous, so horrible. It can be anything. That is the reason they're telling that I request you to do the needful as soon as possible, and give service to the customers very good, like that. Okay. And last, what you need to do is to write yours faithfully, df, whatever what your name is. You have to write your own name, whoever is writing this letter, and then send it as you can do. So you can as you have seen, that you can use this letter on two parts. That is, if you got this topic on your descriptive paper, you can write such things. And if you literally went to a hotel or restaurant and have experienced such things, and you want to complain against that, then you can start like this. You can write like this. So this was it for today. If you guys like my channel, do like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and so that you will get the notification very earlier. So this was it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.